I'm off to play golf.
I'm off to do some gardening.
I'm off to do the hoovering.
I'm off swimming.
Just finished my round of golf and now I'm about to do some boxing.
I'm off to the beach.
No matter what you're doing, staying hydrated is key. And if you're looking for optimal performance, whether it's at the golf course, whether it's in the gym, whether it's cleaning at home, you need to stay hydrated. And we have a whole range of electrolyte products. So make sure you check them out in store or online.